This is a really cute, easy way to add a touch of sparkling water to the garden.
Start with a statement-making water bowl, something that fits the mood of your garden, like this Atlantis bowl, with a hint of rustic style.
This bowl is glazed on the inside and there's no drainage hole at the bottom, so it's the perfect choice for a marvellous miniature water garden. And you want a bowl that's nice and deep like this too, at least 30 centimetres, so that you've got more options for planting.
In goes a good layer of sandy loam soil. About 15 to 20 centimetres or so at the bottom will do it. Now get stuck into the planting.
Aquatic plants are the water babies of the plant world. They love wet feet. Now the key is to choose different plants of different heights and textures so you create different levels of interest in your design.
Add a taller growing rush or sedge for imposing height, some dwarf Egyptian papyrus for texture, and water lilies for a pop of colour. Get some submerged or oxygenating plants in there too, like a water milfoil, to help to keep the water clear. Next up, cover the soil with a good layer of fine pebbles and finish by filling it with water. The secret is to add the water slowly so you don't upset the soil too much.
Now just allow the water to settle for a few weeks and there you have it, an instant water garden to jazz up your summer courtyard.